Claude Code tutorial, how to install and use it. Now, the jump from using Claude as a chatbot, asking it questions, getting answers in a conversation, to using Claude Code as an actual development agent that writes files, runs commands, and builds software is one of the most significant capability shifts available to developers and technical creators right now. Now, the difference is not incremental, it's qualitative. When you use Claude in a chat interface, you describe what you want and read the response. When you use Claude Code in your terminal, you describe what you want and Claude Code goes and does it. Reading your files, writing code, running tests, fixing errors, handling you something working. That's a fundamentally different experience than a smarter engine or a smarter search engine or a better documentation lookup tool. Now, this tutorial is the complete beginner's guide to Claude Code. What it is, how to install it, how to navigate the interface, and how to use it effectively on real development tasks. You don't need to be an expert developer to follow this, and you need basic familiarity with using a terminal and an Anthropic account. Now, what Claude Code is actually and why it matters. Claude Code is Anthropic's terminal native AI coding agent. It's a command line tool that, gives you the install on your computer and run inside project directories. So once running, it has access to literally everything in that directory. All your files, your directory structure, your configuration files, and it uses that full project context to understand what you're working on before actually doing anything. Now, the key word is agent. Claude Code isn't just answering questions about code, it's actually taking actions. Now, it reads files, it writes files, it edits existing code, it runs commands inside of your terminal, and it can install packages, run tests, start development servers, and fix its own mistake when something doesn't work as expected. The level of autonomy is meaningfully higher than any chat-based code assistant. Claude Code is going to connect to Anthropic's most capable models, Claude Sonnet for fast, capable responses, and Claude Opus for complex reasoning. And you can see those models right here as well by going over here, and you can find Opus and even Sonnet as you go on. Now, Claude Code connects to Anthropic's most greatest models. The model you use affects both the quality of the output and API cost per session, which we will discuss in the setup section. So, who is this for? Now, developers who want to move faster on development tasks without sacrificing control over the output, technically minded creators who want to build software without writing every line manually, anyone who has found chat-based AI coding assistants useful but wants a version that's actually integrated into their developmental workflow. Now, before installing Claude Code, you need three things on your computer. First of all, you will need Node.js 18 or a higher version of it. Typically, if you don't have it at all, just go ahead and write Node.js install and go over to their website and install whatever latest version they have. You can check whether you have it by opening up your terminal, but even if you do, it is still a good way to go ahead and check it out over here because you're typically just installing the latest version. Now, once you have downloaded this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be going over to Anthropic's website or Claude's website and creating an account. So once Claude Code is, once Anthropic is created, what you're going to do is you're going to buy Claude Code because Claude Code is a paid product. And what you're going to do after creating your account on Anthropic is go over to the pricing section and get the upper plans for Anthropic, okay? Because Claude will not be working on the free plan. Claude Code is specifically available for the pro plan for the pro users, okay? So you're, of course, going to want to buy it because you're billed based on API usage, meaning the number of tokens processed in each session. So add a payment method to your Anthropic account and add credits before proceeding. So for light to moderate use, $20 to $50 in credit goes a meaningful distance. For heavy daily use with complex tasks on Opus, costs accumulate faster. Monitor your usage dashboard, especially in the first few weeks. And thirdly, once all of this is done, what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure to have API keys. Okay. So get the Pro plan, which is $17. And once you're in Anthropic, or if you have Claude code running up as so, you can go ahead and generate API keys for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So you can simply write an API over here. And over here, you can create your API keys. Okay. So copy it and store it somewhere secure because you're going to enter it during Claude Code setup. The API key is what authenticates your Claude Code sessions to Anthropic server. Now, with Node.js installed, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up your PowerShell. Okay. Don't open your command prompt. Don't open your Git. You're going to open up the PowerShell because the PowerShell is what's going to allow you to install it through the NPM. Now, what are you going to add over here? Let me show you. So you're going to come over to the Claude Code section of Anthropic's website. And once you're over here, you're going to hit download for terminal. Okay. You can download on any of these as well, but we're integrating it into our terminal. So once we click on that, it brings us here. And right here, it's going to give us these different codes. So of course, we're going to go with this code right here. So you're going to go ahead and copy that. And once you have copied that, what you're simply going to do from here is you're going to come into your PowerShell, paste it, and you're going to hit enter. Now over here, you're going to see that it's going to start loading things in. And of course, this will only work if you have Node.js. Without Node.js, it won't be doing anything. Now, the installation takes about a minute and downloads the Claude Code package and its dependencies. When installation completes, you're going to verify it by running Claude version in your terminal. It's going to ask you to log into your account. It's going to ask you different things to verify yourself so it can see that you actually have the account for Claude Code. Now on Windows, you can run Claude Code through Windows subsystems as well, or maybe inside this section. And this is how you switch to the code section. Now, of course, I don't have the plan, but once you do, you can simply work with it right over here. Now, once all of this is done and Claude Code is installed, you can work your way around the terminal in different ways. So this is how you work with it inside of Claude's app. Okay, so that's one way. The other way is, of course, working inside your terminal like this. So as you can see, this is Claude inside a terminal, working in the most easiest way. Now, the most important thing to understand about effective Claude Code use is that quality of your instructions directly determine the quality of the output. So Claude Code is powerful, but it's best with clear prompts and suggestions. So Claude Code is one of the most significant tools available to developers working with AI in 2026, and the shift from chat-based code assistants to a terminal-native agent that actually executes tasks changes how much useful output you can generate in a given amount of time. So install it with NPM, authenticate with your API key, set up a Claude MD file for your project, and start with focused specific tasks. The learning curve is shorter than it looks, and within a few sessions, the workflow becomes natural. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.